Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julia Evangeline, your sugar baby. Alright guys, so for today's content, another video, another unboxing. So ito binili ko para sa akin at kay Amea. So let's see what's inside in 3, 2, 1. Let's see intro first.
Nood na tayo ng mga good vibes na mga video natin ni Ate Liabi. Tara at mag-explore, tayo'y mapangiti, mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Liabi.
Open na natin ang ating parcel. So, ito ay para kay Amea at para sa akin.
Wow!
So, 1, 2, 3. And these are earrings, guys. Super
Wow!
really liit. Liit ba? Liit. Ito kanina to. Kay Ken. Ayan. So, ganito siya, guys. Clover leaf na design. Tapos, di-screw yung sa likod, guys. Ayan. Hypoallergenic siya and non-tarnish. Tapos, ito, second design. Let me show you. Same din, guys. Di ano din siya. Di-screw sa likod. And this design, I like butterfly. And show you butterfly. Butterfly ang atake niya. So, ayan. And, what else do we have? We also have this one. Ito yung flower. Siguro yung and this one, ay, hindi sa akin to. This one, ayan. Flower. So, ito pa ganun kasi siya eh. So, yung kay Amea, yung butterfly na lang yung ilalagay natin dyan. So, let me show you. Lagay muna natin this one. Yung ano, yung flower. So, magkakaalam ko is like you put this here. The first one. It's been a while since hindi ako naglagay ng ano, ng earrings. So, medyo makipot ang ano, butas. Yan. So, nalagay ko na sa second hole and nalagay na natin yung so, in short, ganito siya, guys. Ayan. Yan sa likod. Ganun. Diba? Ayan. And, tanan. Ayan. May earrings na tayo ulit. That's all, guys. Ayan. If you want to order one of these, just DM me on my Facebook page, Liabi 2.0 or Liabi 3.0, so I can give you the link. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next vlog. Love you,